Right, so moving along, we were going to write our title that was Wild Weather, right? So if you want, you can make it a little bit bigger, 48, right? You can have a text outline of black. So that's how it'll look like. If you want it a little bit lower, you can bring it down and center it. So remember, your position of text and image, your text position within the document is very important. It's a major factor you need to consider, right? So it doesn't look too clumped up, it doesn't look clustered, it doesn't look untidy. So tidiness is something you have to keep in mind all the time, right? So we just inserted the heading, and now what we're going to do is we are going to start inserting the words and within them the other pictures. So let's see how we do that. In order to insert the word, you need a text box, right? So on home, you have text box. You click on the text box and you draw the text box within the frame, right? Within the border, the blue border. And you include 3 columns. So we'll click on 2 columns. We'll click on to 3 and we'll have a uniform. We'll change this to 0.2. Right, so 0.2 centimeter is going to be our margin for the text. Now what we're going to do is go back to your folder, open the document, the Word document. This is the first part that needs to go in. Highlight, Control C, and go back to Publisher and Control V. Right, so that's it there. Next we need to do is the picture, the image. So we will go back, and you can also just, we need the tornado image, click and drag and bring it here, right? So that's your image, bring it down, right? Whenever you're resizing your image, make sure you're using the corners only, and then we will go on to insert the next set of writing. And we'll copy this and we will paste it. Control V. Oh, it didn't get copied. Control C. Bring it along. Control V. Right, so that's where it's placed. If you look carefully, you will notice that it is coming onto the next line, which is a little untidy. So what we'll do is just increase this, and maybe what we need to do is the font is at 12. We'll just decrease the font to 11 so that it takes up less space. And do you see how the title tornado is supposed to be, oops, 11 is over here, but it's actually Control X, Control V, yeah, but it's actually supposed to be on the top of the image. That happens. Backspace it and bring it forward. Now we need to format this. We'll go back to format. We'll go back to Word Art Styles and we'll change our font style. There you go. Right, we're using blue, so it matches the color of the image. That's the whole idea. Maybe we'll go darker blue. Yeah, to match that. So we are on to that. What do we